Hello guys, today we learn how to convert dataset to XML. To implement this, we have required Visual Studio 2015 and SQL Server 2012 or any upper versions. What 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 is the benefits? XML facilitates data exchange between systems and across different locations via the internet, making it widely used in API-based service due to its platform independence. Let us see what we need to achieve. Like XML output, you can see employee details. Then there is first we got employee their child, employee ID 1, employee name, salary, employee city, department name. Same way other records you can see employee ID, employee name, salary, employee city, employee details. Now let us see how can we create XML from dataset. Let us see. Open Visual Studio 2015. Already we have made a one websites and there is like one page like data set to XML. Convert data set to XML. So first we see the page XPX page. You can see here there is one button and one text box. When you will click on this, you will get the XML. Also, you can save it in the folder. Now right click on view code. So let us see how can we change dataset to XML. So first we know that SQL connection I have made. You can put your SQL connection like database name and user ID and password for your system. After that, I have write SQL listing which we fetch the data from the database through the inner joins like employee and employee department based on the employee ID. You can put your query here. Now after that we define create a new data set. So dataset ds equal to new data set and I have given an employee details because you know when you open your XML output. So first your root element is employee details. So that's why here I put the name like employee details. So dataset name will be employee details. After that I have defined a create a SQL. So SQL data adapter DA equal to new SQL data adapter. Now need to put SQL connection, SQL strings, and after that SQL connection. Then after that I have filled the dataset. So how can we fill? Simply da.Fill and ds and dataset means imply. So how can we see that in the dataset that is the imply this is the child of this root. So I have put in here this ds means number of records like imply you will get. Then after that you need to create XML document. How can do that? XML document make object xmlDoc equal to new XML document. Now here you simply see that convert dataset to XML. Only simple one line code. I have written xmlDoc dot one line code like xmlDoc.LoadXml. After that you can see the dataset name and that a method .GetXml which convert dataset to XML format. Then after that text1.text equal to xml.innerText.toStrings. So this value XML value will be shown on the text box. Also I want to save this XML user create XML document, define a string path and path equal to I have taken server map path and folder name. After that you can simply write xmlDoc.save path and file name. So that's where this XML will save in this file name. Now run this. Click on create XML doc. So when you will click, you can see that is dataset. And after that, ds. You can see in ds will get the value of records which are in database. After that you have defined XML doc and you can see xmlDoc.LoadXml. So after loading you can see your XML will be created. Now through the inner XML the value will show on the text box. From this value doc value will save in folders. So you can see here your XML will be created on button. Now open google.com and put XML viewer. Click on this one. Now paste this value which are created. So you can see here your XML will be created, and here you can see in a tree view like there is 5 record. When you click on validate, so it is valid XMLs. Also you can see through the Vidify format Vidify. So you can see that is root element and that is child element of root element and their children. So this way data set will be converted into XML through the value simply xmlDoc.LoadXml and ds.GetXml. Now see the overview of the code. SqlConnection, SQL call, SQL listing and new data set I have created. After that SQL data adapters and fill the data sets and create XML document you can see. After that convert data set to XML, simply load XML and ds.GetXml. Then through the inner XML you can get the value of XML in text box, and also you can see where. Now also you can see the XML file we have created. So this is the XML file. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.